It's a life-changing moment. Being diagnosed with a chronic illness means a lifetime of pills, therapy, or simply living within daily limits. It's easy to get down about the challenges that lie ahead. KCRG TV9's Ashley Henson shows us a program that's helping patients keep a positive outlook.
They're the light of my life. And this is Sam. He is 5.
Dorothy McDowell's a doting grandma, but she lives every day knowing she has limitations.
All of a sudden, my vision was blurred, and I started seeing halos and bright lights.
She has sarcoidosis, an inflammatory disease that affects her heart, lungs, and both eyes.
They do not know yet what causes sarcoidosis, so there is no cure.
So for several years, Dorothy lived her new normal, fighting exhaustion, pain, and trouble breathing. Then she found out about a new program designed especially for those with chronic conditions.
It has helped me to live a more productive life.
Having a chronic condition can be a very isolating situation. People can't do what they used to do, and so oftentimes they feel like they can't do anything.
I want you to concentrate on your pain, if you're having pain right now.
Kathy Bargery coordinates the Chronic Disease Self-Management Workshop.
They meet with those other people who are suffering from those same things. They usually feel like they help each other and they learn from each other.
The program is 6 weeks, 2.5 hours, once a week, and creates an atmosphere for productive conversation for those with chronic diseases.
We consider a chronic condition anything that anyone has to manage on a daily basis.
Whether it be an inflammatory disease like what Dorothy has, or cancer, diabetes, asthma, this series of classes provides people with tools to manage their condition.
I try not to focus on what I can't do. I try to look more at what I can do. It's a great resource.
Each person who goes through the program gets a copy of a book called Living a Healthy Life with Chronic Conditions. And in that book, more than 200 tips, varying from how to exercise and clean the house to how to better breathe, take baths, even be intimate.
Meditation, maybe calling a friend, a family member, reading a book, going out for dinner with someone. So just real simple things that maybe sometimes when someone's in the middle of trying to deal with that chronic condition, it's just hard to think of all those things.
Dorothy now works to help others to manage their conditions, and the connections she made in the class continue today.
4 years later, we are still meeting once a month for lunch, so we've called ourselves the Lunch Bunch.
Helping people cope through chronic conditions, giving them the tools to live their new normal life.